In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a routine on Todoist. Let's dive into the world of Todoist, a fantastic tool for organizing your daily tasks and routines. First things first, you will need to log into your Todoist account. Pop over to the Todoist login page. You'll see a simple interface asking for your details. Here, key in your email address to begin the process. It's the gateway to accessing your tasks and setting up new routines, so make sure you've got your login details handy. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Click on the login button to unlock all the productivity features Todoist has to offer. This is your first step into a more organized life, so take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of Todoist's login process. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Today page on Todoist. This is where all your tasks for the current day are displayed. It's a great starting point for organizing your daily routine and getting a clear overview of what needs to be accomplished. Now, let's start adding tasks to your routine. Look for the My Projects section. This is where your tasks find a home, categorized in a way that makes sense to you. Whether it's work, personal projects, or daily chores, My Projects is where you can keep everything organized. To add a new routine, you will want to click on Add Task. This button is your best friend when it comes to inserting new tasks into your daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. It's a simple step, but it's the foundation of creating an effective routine on Todoist. When adding a task, you're prompted to give it a name. This could be anything from morning workout to daily meditation, whatever fits into your routine. Naming your task is crucial as it gives you a clear idea of what needs to be achieved. Next, click on Due Date. Here's where Todoist flexes its muscles. You aren't just setting a one-off reminder, you're creating a habit. By typing in every day, you're telling Todoist that this task is not just a one-time affair, but a recurring element of your routine. It's about building consistency. After selecting every day, you'll want to ensure this task continues for as long as you need it to, so click on Forever. This ensures your daily task repeats indefinitely, helping you maintain this habit or routine as part of your life without needing to manually update it. Finally, after setting your task to repeat daily and indefinitely, click on Add Task once again. This action seals the deal, embedding your new routine into your day-to-day life accessible through Todoist. It's a moment of commitment to your productivity and self-improvement. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in Todoist, establishing a routine that can help structure your day, boost productivity, and perhaps even contribute to your personal growth. A few additional tips to enhance your Todoist routine. Experiment with different types of recurring tasks, like every weekday for work-related tasks, or every Monday for a weekly planning session. Utilize labels and priority levels to organize tasks further and highlight their importance. Remember, Todoist is more than just a to-do list, it's a powerful tool for managing your time and tasks effectively. Engaging with Todoist in this way, by setting up routines and recurring tasks, transforms it from a simple list-making app to a comprehensive productivity assistant. It's about making the tool work for you, adapting it to fit your life and your commitments. Today you've taken a significant step towards better organization and efficiency. By incorporating routines into Todoist, you're not just planning your time, you're actively shaping your future. Thank you for watching and following along. Dive into Todoist, set up your routines, and start making the most of your time, one task at a time.